Hello friends, welcome to Makti channel, and in this video we will learn how to apply border radius to a division. So let's continue from our last example. So let's add a border radius here in the CSS. In the last video we have gone through the gradient. So for border radius you just need to type border radius generator, and you will get this website called borderradius.com. And here you have to define the border radius. So you can play with the values here. For example, in the left corner I will give the value as 100, and for the right and the bottom ones I will give 10 as the border radius. So you can see how the shape has changed from a square, from a rectangle to a rounded rectangle kind of. Now let me just paste the code here, and I will just align it properly. Now let's see the change in the browser. Now you can see the header portion on the top left. It has a rounded kind of a rectangle, and for the right and the bottom corners there is a change of 10 pixels. So let's make it 0 for the bottom ones so that it looks good in the view. So now let's change the copy and paste the new values here, and let's view it in the browser now. So now you can see that there is no rounded corners on the bottom of this header rectangle. Now let's make a rounded corner on the second portion, that is the body division. For that I will just change the values here to 10 and 10 at the bottom side, and will give the values as 0 for the top left and the top right. Now let me just copy this code into the CSS, that is the body CSS. If you want to follow my gradients tutorial, you can just search in my channel itself. It is the previous video. So this is how it's done. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe and click the bell icon for updates.